Meaning of denominator.
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 Denominator. The denominator is a term used in fractions to denote the number that appears below the line, representing the total number of parts into which the whole has been divided. It is the bottom number that shows how many equal parts are in the whole. For example, in the fraction 3/4, the 4 is the denominator. The denominator determines the size of each part of the fraction. The larger the denominator, the smaller the part. In other words, the denominator represents the total number of equal parts in a whole that is being divided.